Hello students, here are best career options for you after 12th Science with PCB, Physics, Chemistry and Biology as your main subjects. All of you have a dream to become a doctor. MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery is one of the most preferred and prestigious course in India to become a reputed doctor. You are eligible for the course if you score 50% marks in physics, chemistry, biology and English in your 12th board exam. And for getting admission, NEET is the essential gateway. NEET, National Eligibility Entrance Test, is conducted by National Testing Agency. Duration of MBBS courses 5.5 years, including 1 year of internship. BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, is another popular subset of medical industry with wide scope. It is the best and most desirable professional course after 12th Science with Biology for those who want to become a dentist. After BDS, one can either work in a hospital as a dentist or can open own private dental clinic. If you score 50% marks in physics, chemistry and biology in 12th board exam, you are eligible for this course. And BDS Colleges of India offer seats through NEET to this 5-year course. BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, it is another course which help you to enter in medical field and to serve the society. If you are interested in a traditional ancient medical system and Ayurvedic medicine, then BAMS can be best for you. For eligibility, 50% marks in PCB is required in 12th boards and NEET score helps you to get admission in this 5.5 years course. One more way to become a doctor is to do BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. Homeopathy is increasingly gaining popularity as an alternative to allopathic medicine. Eligibility criteria to enter in the course is to score 50% marks in physics, chemistry, biology and English in class 12th. And you will get admission in this 5.5 years course through NEET score. If you are an animal lover, then BVSC and AH, Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, is the best course. Candidates are trained to diagnose diseases and treatment of diseases of animals and birds. Eligibility criteria is the same. 12th Science with 50% score in physics, chemistry, biology and English, and admission is through NEET. It is a 5-year course with 6 months of internship. There are other courses also through which you can attach yourself with hospitals and patients, and these are paramedical courses. BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, is one of them. If you are interested in physical therapy like massage therapy, exercise, electrotherapy, which help in improving patients' health and movement during the course, then this is the best option for you. Eligibility criteria is 12th Science with 50% score in physics, chemistry and biology, and you can get admission either through entrance test or through merit, and duration of the course is 4.5 years. With rising demand for higher education degrees in the healthcare and nursing field, BSc Nursing has become one of the popular choices for the students. Candidates who wish to serve humankind through medical treatment along with affection, care and patience can go for BSc Nursing course. It is a 4-year course and minimum marks required for the course is 50% in physics, chemistry, biology and English in 12th board exam. Admission in the course can be through NEET score or through separate entrance exam or through merit. Bachelor of Pharmacy B Pharma is another paramedical course. It is for those who are interested in pharmacy sector for researching, testing and developing drugs or medicine. Minimum 50% marks are required in subjects physics, chemistry, biology in 12th board exam. An admission process is different in different colleges. It may be either on the basis of NEET score or separate entrance test or on merit base. Medical Laboratory Technology MLT. It is the best paramedical course concerned with diagnosis, treatment and prevention of diseases using clinical laboratory tests. 50% marks in PCB are required for eligibility and admission may be direct or on merit or separate entrance test may be conducted by colleges. Course duration for Bachelor Medical Laboratory Technology BMLT, it is 3 years. For diploma course it is 2 years and for certificate course it is 6 months to 1 year. BOT, Bachelor of Occupational Therapy. It is a long undergraduate course designed to produce occupational therapists that can help physically and mentally challenged people to enjoy their life without hindrance. It is a 4-year course and eligibility criteria is 50% marks in PCB and admission is through either entrance test or through merit. BSc, Bachelor of Science. It is the best undergraduate course after 12th science stream for those who are interested in research, development, teaching, etc. Some of the specialized fields of BSc are chemistry, agriculture, food technology, forensic science, biochemistry, zoology, botany, home science. These are for those who have biology in class 12th. But if you have maths also along with physics, chemistry and biology, then you can go for BSc Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, Electronics, Statistics, etc. For these courses, your marks in class 12th are very important and you can get admission through merit or through entrance exam or through group discussion, depending on the course and the college. It is 3 to 4 years course. So, opt your career as per your interest. Good luck to all of you and I am sure you all will do great in your life. That's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you so much.